Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. I'm Unapologetically Mocha, and on this channel we discuss all things crochet and craft related. I do yarn reviews and yarn hauls and crochet pattern tutorials and crochet stitch tutorials, and I talk about hooks and anything and everything crochet, and also other crafts get thrown in there too. So basically, if it's craft or crochet related, it's my jam. So today we are going to talk about some Happy Mail I got. I love me some Happy Mail. And what's coming up on the channel and some special things that might be going on or will be going on. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of some Happy Mail. So I got some yarn from Hobbii. And yes, I know, some of you are thinking, wow, Mocha got yarn from Hobbii. Also, in other news, water's wet, the sky is blue, the sun rose today. I know, it's not much of a shock. For those of you that don't know about Hobbii, first thing, what are you doing with your life? Where are your priorities? Hobbie's awesome. But, I got this yarn right here. It's pretty. And it's special because it's vegan. Now, I've never used vegan yarn before, so I didn't really know what to expect. But this is what it is. It's Kremke. Hopefully I said that right. Soul wool. And the color is Morning Salutation. Let me get my cheaters because I can't read without them. Even though I've got contacts. When you become a woman of a certain age, contacts alone just won't do it. It is a, hang on, let me read you what's in it. This truly vegan yarn combines fine cotton with lyocell, which is made from wood waste in a closed circuit. Lyocell makes the yarn more absorbent than silk and has good cooling properties. Now, I hold this, and it does feel cool. It's a light cotton. It's nice. I like it. It's soft. The label doesn't say, but if I had to guess, I would say that's a 3. Yeah, it's a 3 weight. Ignore my janky nails. I desperately need a manicure. And it calls for a 3 to 4 inch millimeter hook. And this is a 50-gram ball, 110 meters, so that's like 130 yards roughly. And as I said, it calls for a 3 to 4 millimeter hook. And I got it with my points. Because it's one of those, okay, for those of you that aren't familiar with Hobbii, again, shame on you. Every purchase that you make, you accumulate points. And once you have so many points, you can go to Hobbie's point store and you can buy things. They have things like, the candies that you get in their package. You can buy a pack of those. They've got crochet hooks, they've got different kinds of notions, knitting needles, stitch markers. I've bought stitch markers, and I want to say a crochet hook and the candy. But this is the first time that I'm actually buying yarn. They have quite a bit of yarn in their point store. And I think this was 2,600 points. And that may sound like a lot, but once you've bought on Hobbii 2 or 3 times, you will have accumulated quite a few points. So it seems like it's a lot, but it's really not. So I was curious about vegan yarn. Like I said, I'd never worked with it before. So I went ahead and I grabbed this and I wanted to see what it was like. So I went ahead and did a swatch. Now, the swatch is still attached because I'm going to wind this and use it for something else. But let me hold up the camera. It's got some very nice stiff definition. these are half double crochets because I am of the school of why single crochet when a half double crochet will do it faster. Because those of you that know me know that I would rather do a bobble stitch for an entire queen size Afghan than work with single crochet. And yes, I realize the single crochet has its place in the world, just not in mine. Just being honest. But yeah, it's got some nice definition. There's not a whole lot of stretch to it. I mean, there's a little bit of stretch going this way. You won't find any stretch going much at all going this way. But it's nice. It's soft. It has some decent drape. Focus. Camera. Focus. It would be good for clothes. I could see this in like a shawl or a light top or something like that. So, oh no, yeah, I like it. So, if you've got some points and you're curious about different yarns you might not have tried before, go to the Hobie's Point store and pick something up and try it and see what you think of it. For those of you that actually do shop on Hobie, have you cashed in your points yet? What'd you get? Did you like it? Was it worth the points? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I have that piece of little Happy Meal. And then I got something else in the mail. Okay, so I don't know how many of you know this woman, but if you don't, you really need to get to know her. Marquita makes Naughty Crush. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. You should check her out and subscribe if you haven't already. I was scrolling through her Instagram, and she had a picture of an absolutely gorgeous virus shawl. Now, y'all know how much I love my virus shawls. But what was striking about it was the yarn she used. It was just this beautiful gold and maroon and green. I had never really seen that colorway before. And I commented, and well, let me back up. I read the description, and she said that she had used Unforgettable. It was Unforgettable yarn. And I commented, I'm like, I think I'm probably the only yarny person on this planet that has never used Unforgettable. And I haven't. I don't know why I haven't. I don't know if because my Michaels around here and nor Joann's really carry it. I've never seen it in a box store around here. But I've seen it online. I've seen people using it, and I thought it was pretty, but I've just never used it before. So she messages me, and she's like, hey, I actually have that yarn in like a couple of skeins, so if you want it, I'd be happy to give it to you. And I was like, no, come on, I'm not going to take your yarn. I mean, it's beautiful. Sure, you're going to do something else with it. And she's like, no, I insist. So she sent me 3 skeins of that yarn. And I was like, aw. I thought it was just totally cool. So let me take one out. And like I said, I'm probably like the last yarny person on this planet to ever use Unforgettable. So, I don't know. Go figure. But it's soft. And look, look at that colorway. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. And yes, I'm probably going to cheat and make a virus shawl with it. But for those of you that might not know, it's 100% acrylic. It's a worsted weight. It's got quite a bit of a halo to it. That fuzzy. Like I said, it's a 4 weight. It calls for a 6mm hook, and each skein has, how much is in this? 270 yards or 246 meters. So, yeah. I'm probably going to make a virus shawl out of it because that's how I saw it and loved it. And again, y'all know how much I love my virus shawls. So, Marquita, I thank you very much. This was lovely for you to do. And I will put this to good use. Next. What do I want to talk about? Oh, yes. Next Saturday, something special is happening. What, you're asking? Well, Amanda from Mando Bug Crafts and I are doing a collaboration of sorts. Well, not of sorts. It's a collaboration. We both purchased, she mentioned this, if you saw her live, you know this. If you haven't subscribed to her already, you need to subscribe to her too. I will link her in the description box as well. We both bought, again from Hobie, yes, she loves Hobie as much as I do. Get on the Hobie train, people, if you're not already on it. It's a party train. We have fun. But we both bought some rainbow bamboo. Camera. There we go. It's a bamboo and cotton blend. That's all I'm going to show you because I don't want to ruin our video. So we both bought this yarn, and on her live next Saturday, which is July 31st, at 9 a.m. on the West Coast and noon on the East Coast, we are going to work with the yarn. She's going to knit with it, I'm going to crochet with it, and we are going to talk about our experiences working with it, and whether we like it or not, and what we like and what we don't like about it. So it should be a fun time. So you should stop over to her, because it's going to be on her channel, and we're going to see what we think of rainbow bamboo. Should be a fun time. Hope to see you there. I'll probably mention this again in an upcoming video, because I'm probably going to put out another video between now and then. But I just wanted to make sure I said it now, just in case something happens and I don't get another video out. So yeah, that's next Saturday, again, July 31st, at 9 a.m. for the West Coast, noon for the East Coast, and wherever time it is for if you're in between those two coasts. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be fun. Let's see, what else do I need to talk about? I don't really have any works in progress to show you at the moment. I'm working on some stuff, but I don't have anything in any, state that is really worth showing you. I did end up frogging what I showed you in was the last video? I think it was my last video. Yeah, it's just not working out. I'm going to find something else to do with that yarn. The ice cream yarn, the pink, the strawberry. I'm going to find something else to do with it. And I've started that pattern in another yarn. And I don't know. I think I might have to rethink the pattern. I'm thinking I'm messing something up somewhere. So I'm kind of holding off on messing with that for now. And let's see, what else? Let's see, I've talked about next Saturday. Speaking of next Saturday's live, I am going to start going live. I'm not sure what day yet. I'm going to announce that on the live with Amanda next week, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm ready to start going live because I've gone to enough of them, and I've gone live on Instagram and Facebook before, so it's not like I'm not familiar with being live. I don't know, just something about going live on YouTube. It's but I'm going to do it. So I will announce the day and time next Saturday. So again, one more reason for you to come to the live on Amanda's Mando Bug Crafts channel. Hint, hint. Be there and be in the know. Otherwise, you'll be wandering the earth clueless. And that's not fun. Come join us. Again, we're fun. Let's see. On this channel, I've got a couple of videos coming up. So I have a series coming. I'm not going to tell you what it's about. You'll just have to wait till the series starts. And no, I have not forgotten about the 200 subscriber giveaway. I ordered the prizes. I'm waiting for them to come in. A couple of them seem to be stuck in customs in Germany. I don't know. If I don't have them in the next couple of days, I will go ahead and get them from someplace else so that I can actually get this video out, because I don't want to make you guys wait forever. That's just not fair. So that video is coming, and I have other unboxings I'm going to do and some more yarn reviews. So there's a lot coming up, so stick around. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and you've hit that bell icon so that you know when I upload videos. And with that, that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm glad you stopped by and you stuck with me to hang out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button. Again, as I always say, a view's a view, so thanks. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.